Hey people, I'm trying to convert a speaker in the Batmobile to car. Look, Batmobile to sound, Bat2 sound, yeah. And look, the speakers, this battery, circuit board I'm gonna put inside for the for when like you're driving it, you have a phone, you connect it Bluetooth to it. Yeah, let begin. Let us begin. Okay. Look the car. Speakers supposed to, it be three speakers. It's supposed to be three speaker, but I don't know. I don't know what I do with the other two. So yeah, let's begin. Look the car. Look the other speaker. Yeah. My battery soon die, so I charge it. I'm charging it. Meanwhile, I'm using it. Yeah. Right. Let's go. Let's begin. Okay. I suppose no. I should go and put light on it. Look, I gonna put light on it. These light come from out my shoe, my light up shoe. So yeah. Look the other one. Probably just gonna use one single one, but I don't know as yet. So let's go. Okay. Look one of my friend. Where is he? Oh, there is he. He's gonna hold my tablet for me. Have a little bit moment so I go and try. Yeah. Okay. Look at you have a car too, but in the next video I'm gonna try and convert it to let's go. All right. Okay.
What a convert, man.
You don't want me to do it. These are the speaker wires what I'm gonna use. There's two of them. Look, alright. Look at that speaker. Yeah. These two speakers. Don't really have my knife or some stuff. Yeah, I don't really have my knife or some stuff, so I'm gonna get my knife and stuff. Let's pause it for a minute.